Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake until 1:15 p.m. At 12:15 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 18 nautical miles east of Wilmette Harbor to near Burns Harbor, moving southeast at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Michigan City, Burns Harbor, and Marina Shores at Dune Harbor. Thunderstorms can produce sudden water spouts. Water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Pentwater, Michigan. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 4 p.m. At 1:04 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles west of McHenry to near Elgin to 9 nautical miles south of Aurora, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Winthrop Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Waukegan Harbor, Burnham Harbor, and Hammond Marina. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts to nearly 50 knots, large hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with these storms.
$300 off fiberglass or vinyl windows and $800 off fiberglass.
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public. .com.
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Colorado County in southeastern Texas, eastern Austin County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Waller County in southeastern Texas until noon Central Standard Time. At 11:22 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Eagle Lake, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Sealy around 11:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. San Felipe around 11:50 a.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Cat Spring. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 715, effective until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Tennessee: Bedford, Kenham, Coffee, Franklin, Grundy, Marshall, Moore, and Warren. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Shanahan and is nearly stationary and developing slowly south and east. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Morris, Shanahan, Minooka, Braidwood, Wilmington, Coal City, Diamond, Elwood, Lakewood Shores, and Carbon Hill. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 233 and 248. Interstate 80 between mile markers 111 and 119, and near mile marker 123. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for central DuPage County in northeastern Illinois until 10:15 a.m. At 9:54 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Warrenville or over Naperville, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Wheaton around 10 a.m. Glen Ellen and Winfield around 10:05 a.m. Lombard, Carroll Stream, and Glendale Heights around 10:10 a.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Addison. This includes College of DuPage, DuPage County Fairgrounds, and Wheaton College. Including the following interstates: Interstate 88 between mile markers 124 and 128. Interstate 355 between mile markers 27 and 28. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is no National Weather Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, central DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 1:15 p.m. At 12:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Malta to 6 miles southwest of DeKalb to Hinckley to Plano, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Aurora, Elgin, DeKalb, St. Charles, Oswego, Batavia, Geneva, Sycamore, Yorkville, Campton Hills, Plano, Sandwich, South Elgin, Montgomery, North Aurora, Sugar Grove, Pingree Grove, Boulder Hill, Elburn, and Cortland. Including the following Interstate 88 between mile markers 83 and 119. This includes Northern Illinois University, Sandwich Fairgrounds, Aurora University, Illinois Math and Science Academy, and Waubonsee Community College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern King County in northeastern Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 2:30 p.m. The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Lake, Indiana County in northwestern Indiana, until 2 p.m. At 10:50 a.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, significant flash flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, rapid onset, significant flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, low-lying areas, and poor drainage areas. Widespread street and underpass flooding. Possible flooding of structures. Possible flooding of highways. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include far south side of Chicago, Hammond, Calumet City, Roseland, East Chicago, Lansing, Harvey, Blue Island, Dolton, Alsip, South Holland, South Deering, Midlothian, Riverdale, Markham, Crestwood, Posen, Whiting, Dixmoor, and Thornton. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. The following The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Coles County in east central Illinois, northwestern Edgar County in east central Illinois, Moultrie County in central Illinois, northwestern Clark County in east central Illinois, Cumberland County in east central Illinois, northeastern Effingham County in south central Illinois, Douglas County in east central Illinois, Macon County in central Illinois, southeastern Christian County in central Illinois, north central Jasper County in southeastern Illinois, Shelby County in central Illinois, Piatt County in central Illinois, DeWitt County in central Illinois, southwestern Vermilion County in east central Illinois, southeastern McLean County in central Illinois, Champaign County in east central Illinois, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:50 p.m., Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wapala to near Pena, moving east at 65 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for eastern Dawit and northern Piatt County. Hazard, 80 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Severe thunderstorms will be near Weldon around 12:55 p.m. Farmer City and Deland around 1 p.m. Shelbyville and Cowden around 1:05 p.m. Mansfield and Seymour around 1:10 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Mohammed, Fisher, Windsor, Stewartson, Boneville, Lake of the Woods, Champaign, Urbana, Mattoon, Red Pool, Neoga, Samastboro, Toledo, St. Joseph, Gifford, Lerna, and Janesville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 between mile. The tornado warning for the National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, northern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, western McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:23 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located along a line extending from Rock City to near Winnebago to 6 miles east of Oregon, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado, 80 miles per hour winds, and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Davis Junction around 7:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of these tornadic storms include Loves Park, McChesney Park, Roscoe, South Beloit, Brockton, Kirkland, Belvedere, Poplar Grove, Candle Lake, Timberlane, Capron, Harvard, and Marengo. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 108 and 123. Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 37. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The following The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, central Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:21 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Springfield, moving east at 35 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Springfield and Greenbrier around 4:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. White House and Cross Plains around 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Portland around 4:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Mitchellville, Orlinda, and Blackjack. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 105 and 120. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground.
To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, southern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:36 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Jolton, or near Nashville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Madison and Goodlettsville around 4:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Hendersonville and Old Hickory around 4:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Lakewood around 4:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Gallatin around 4:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Green Hill, Bledsoe Creek State Park, Cottontown, and Whites Creek. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 203 and 209. Interstate 65 between mile markers 85 and 102. Interstate 24 between mile markers 32 and 49. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a dust storm warning for Livingston County in central Illinois, southeast LaSalle County in north central Illinois, southern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:46 p.m., a wall of dust was along a line extending from near Seneca to near Cornell to El Paso, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, near zero visibility with damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour. Source, emergency management. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. Including the following interstate, Interstate 55 between mile markers 188 and 229. This wall of dust will be near Odell around 9 p.m. Gardner and Sonneman around 9:20 p.m. Cullum around 9:30 p.m. Chatsworth around 9:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by this wall of dust include Campus, South Wilmington, Kinsman, Reddick, East Brooklyn, Verona, Ransom, Emmington, and Strawn. Motorists should not drive into a dust storm. Pull aside, stay alive. There is no safe place on a highway when a dust storm hits. Visibility can be lost immediately, making it difficult or impossible to slow down and avoid stopped vehicles. Delay travel, or safely exit the highway before the dust storm arrives. Strong to severe thunderstorms are also possible behind this wall of dust. Keep updated with this quickly evolving situation. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, King County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Malta to near Waterman to Leland to near Ottawa, moving east at 65 miles per hour. These are destructive storms. Take shelter immediately. Hazard, 90 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Severe thunderstorms will be near Sandwich and Newark around 7:45 p.m. Yorkville, Plano, Elburn, and Maple Park around 7:50 p.m. Aurora, Oswego, Montgomery, Sugar Grove, and Lily Lake around 7:55 p.m. Batavia, Geneva, Campton Hills, North Aurora, Pingree Grove, and Boulder Hill around 8 p.m. Joliet, Plainfield, St. Charles, West Chicago, Minooka, South Elgin, West Bellevue, Sleepy Hollow, Wayne, and Valley View around 8:05 p.m. Elgin, Bartlett, and East Dundee around 8:10 p.m. Including the following interstates: Interstate 80 between mile markers 120 and 122. Interstate 88 between mile markers 102 and 120. Interstate 90 between mile markers 42 and 56. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for north central and northeastern Illinois. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at